Hey guys, this is Dave from communityforums.net. We're going to show you how to install a test board for Invision Power Board real quick. This assumes you already have a local host running, something like WAMP or XAMPP, to get you up and going and get PHP on your Windows and MySQL real quick and easy. If not, you can just ask us and we'll run you through that real quick. Basically what you do, you just download your IP board and go to your XAMPP folder and your HT docs and create a new folder, something like IPB dev. You can name it whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. Then after that, you're going to extract all the IPB files you just downloaded and put them inside that folder. And then once you're done doing that, we're going to get everything ready to install. You can see where I put them inside the IPB dev folder. And then you just navigate to localhost. I probably don't have mine running right now, so I'm going to have to start it real quick. I don't like to leave it running, and I don't like to have it start when I'm not going to use it. So I'm just going to start mine real quick. I'm going to give it a second to start up. Alright, there you go. And then you just go into PHP MyAdmin, and we're going to create a database real quick just to get the install data going. And I'm just going to name mine IPB dev, and you're going to have to remember that name because you're going to use it here in a second. And then once you get that set up, you just navigate to localhost in the IPB dev folder, and it should automatically redirect you to the install. And you just click that box, hit next, check those applications, hit next. Those paths should automatically fill out and you should have them good to go, so you just hit next again. Then it takes you to the database information. If you just use the default XAMPP install, you can enter your database name and the username's root, and there's never any password. The table prefix is optional. I like to just put one there just because that's what I do. And then you just set up your username, your password, and you don't really need an email, but I'm going to put mine here anyway, so feel free to spam it. And then you just hit next and start installation. And that's going to get your installation going, and as you can see, it's just going to automatically redirect you through everything here, and you're going to be on your way to having a test install of Invision Power Board. Let's speed this up a little bit, and once we get to the end, you can see it's installed and everything looks good. We're just going to click this link to go to the forums, and we're going to get an error. All you have to do to fix this is go to your conf global. You can find that in your root folder that you just installed your Invision Power Board in. Open it up into a text editor and just stick this line of text at the very bottom, the server remote address, and we're just going to assign it the IP address of the local host machine to let IPB know that's where it's being installed, and there's no web access to it. And there you have it. It's your test installed